have a different kind of video for you that you aren't used to, but I got some great mail. Onedaysaving contacted me if I wanted to review some of their products. So, of course, I went to their site first to check out what products they have, and they have a lot. If you go there, I can guarantee you will buy something there. And if you go to my description down below, after this video, of course, then you will find a discount code that you can use to purchase anything you like. Here you can see their site, and they have a lot of things, and I went for the molds, the epoxy molds, because I love to do epoxy as well, because you can combine that with vinyl and everything else the machine can make. So that was my choice, and I could pick 3 items, and I'm so excited to show you them because I had so many ideas with it when I was looking on their website for it. And now I finally have them, and I can show you what they are. So let's get on to it, and I will show you what they sent me. This is gonna be so much fun. The first mold I saw that I knew I had to have was this one. This is a key holder for the whole family, and if you are a bit like me, I always looking for my keys. They are never on the same place, and this will make you want to put your keys on the same place, because this is just brilliant. And if you don't want to use it for your house keys, you can use it, of course, for your shed or your bike or any key that you have a single key of. And holding this mold, it has real good quality. I was surprised for the price that it cost, that you get so much quality. And I'm very curious how the epoxy will hold and how it will come out, and how amazing this design can be. Well, let's go to the next one, because I didn't get 1 mold, but I got 3. The next one I picked was knowing it's Valentine next month, so this one looked so cute. It is a heart, and you can put for your window or on the wall, and it has little hearts with it that you can put in the middle, and there are already names with it. And as you can see, this mold is also from good quality. You see the names with the hearts are already there, like mom, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, that you can hang in the middle. And this one is also, you can do so many things with epoxy with it, and put stuff in it and make it so beautiful. And again, I was surprised that this mold was very firm as well, so you can use it for a long time. And here is my last mold that I'm gonna try out. It was a very small, cute mold. With my thoughts with this was, I can make here some great magnets with this. So I will show you in my other video what my idea was with this. And again, this mold is firm as well, and it's a great size. It's not too big, it's not small. So I can't wait to show you what I will make with this. Also, if you like these molds and you want to buy them yourself, down below in the description I have the links straight to these molds I just showed you. But there's also another link that will show all the molds they have, and I can guarantee you will buy there, because they have so many molds, and I find it hard to choose between them, because they have really amazing molds. And see what I make of it. And if you want to see them and you haven't subscribed to my channel, just subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you will get a notification when I upload my new video with the things I made with this. I'll see you in my next video.